Good evening everyone. Today I will talk about to you why communication skill is important. Today I learned that communication skill is not a soft skill. It is a vital skill in our life. It is essential skill. Why? Because it can affect our finances and money. It can help us to improve in our career. As for me, I'm an IT technician. When we are good communicator on presenting PowerPoint projects, it can affect our key performance indicator KPI, which the basis of our bonuses increase, salary increase. That is why communication skill can affect our finances. Also, not just communication skills, also the body language. The confident to report, to deliver the message well. That is my current goal right now, to improve that area of my life. Yes, and I dream also to lead someday, but today I will lead first myself, so just soon I can help others to reach their goals also. But for now, I will first reach my goal. I will be focusing for my communication skills, my confidence, also my body language. So I will track my progress. It is 3 minutes, so see you again.